So the first step to carrying out lawn renovation is to scarify. We scarify to remove all that unwanted thatch, moss, and weeds, weed grasses from the sward to really clean it so that we're able then to aerate and overseed and breathe some life back into the lawn. So on large lawns then, these are the ideal tool for the job. These large ride-on scarifiers have blades which counter-rotate, and they feed all the unwanted material up through into this hopper, which then fills up, and we can high tip it onto a compost heap so it can rot down, or maybe into a really large skip to take the waste away. And of course, with these large lawns, you get tons and tons and tons of material that's unwanted in that sward. So you can soon accumulate a huge pile of unwanted thatch before we go on to the next stage of aerating and then overseeding.